Now, a couple of days back, I released a video review on a BG electrical socket. That one was very easy and a straightforward thing for an electrician to install in home. But I can understand that not many people can do that. You need an electrician to come in and do this job for you. But with the help of these smart plugs, you can convert your old school power socket into a smart. Plug them in and configure. Off you go. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on these smart plugs SP23 by a company called Teckin, if I'm pronouncing it right. Now these smart plugs are fantastic and straightforward to use and easy to integrate with your home automation setup, which you can have with your Amazon products as well as the Google products at the same time with the if this and that. Obviously, within this video, we're going to go through each and everything about these products, showing you what is included within the packaging, what features they offer, following with the configuration process with your Amazon as well as the Google Home products, and the demonstration in the end. So by the end of the video, you will have an idea that is this particular product for you or not. So without wasting too much of time, let's straight away jump into the specification of this smart plug, which is to start with the working temperature range of -20 to 50 degrees and the Wi-Fi frequency, which is 2.4 gigahertz. It's not compatible to work with the 5 gigahertz. An app to access this smart switch is available for Android as well as for iOS users. Now let's quickly jump into the unboxing, which is very straightforward. What you are getting in the packaging is one user manual for the smart plug explaining each and everything you would like to know about these smart plugs, following with the two identical with the different unique IDs smart plugs, where on the left side of the plug you have a one multifunctional power on and off button and a straight UK connection on the back with all the specifications available as well with respect to what app you're going to use too. Now you can use this smart plug with a load of up to 13 ampere and that's the maximum. But if you have an application or a device which takes more than 13 ampere, you need to go with its bigger brother, a different model which is right in here in front of you. I will leave a link for this one in the video description as well. Now configuring the smart plug by Teckin is very easy and straightforward. First thing you gotta do is plug it in. Now when the smart plug is plugged in first time, you're going to see this flashing blue light on the power button. If you're not, don't need to worry about it. I will show you how to do that. Now just before go ahead with anything else, we need to install application which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. We are on Android and we're going to search for the application called Smart Life. You need to install this application and once successfully installed, open it right from there. Now for this application, you need to create the credentials, follow the application, it will help you to do that. There are multiple ways to enter a device into this application. First one will be by adding the device, selecting it from the list right in here. Let's suppose it's a socket, as you can see that. Now I need to press and hold this power on button until I see this blue light flashing. There you go, right there you can see that. Now click here to confirm. After that, select the Wi-Fi which will be used by the smart plug and make sure that it's only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Type in the name and credential and click confirm. Wait for connection to be established. Now in here you need to give it a name. You can call it any name you like to. Click onto that one and change the name. I'm going to call it right plug. Okay, and the location where this plug going to be, I'm going to call it bedroom at the moment of time. There you go. Once it's fully configured, you can try it from here. That is working fine. You can see that all clearly actually, guys. Using the Smart Life application is straightforward. Right in the home screen, you're going to see whatever plugs you enter in. You can turn them on off if you want to, or you can select the switching on and off from the shortcut buttons, or set the timers as well. You can set the timer that after how long you would like to get that light turned on. As soon as you enter the timer, it will straight away start to tick on it. You can also schedule it on a fragrance diffuser, so you can schedule the time on it, that what time it can turn on and turn off. that will make this whole application or automation very user friendly. And it is not necessary that you have to use the application to turn on the fragrancer or any devices connected to the smart plug. You also have a button right next to it. Just press for one button, off it goes. Simple as that. At the same time, you're going to get the real-time status indicator on your application. Now it is also very easy to configure the smart plug with your Amazon or Google product. For the Amazon, you need to open up Amazon Alexa app, and within the app, click onto the menu tab and go down into the skills and games. Now within the skills and game, search for the skill called Smart Life. Click on it, click enable to use, and type in the credentials you created for the Smart Life app. By click of one button, you can link your account with your Amazon products. Select the app which you use for your smart plug and link it. Authorize. And that's about it. This is all done, guys. Now you can close this all window and click onto the discover devices within your Alexa app. Now at time to time, you're going to get this message on your Alexa app. Don't need to worry about it. Close that one and click onto the all application tab in here. In here, you need to locate the name which you give it to this plug. In our case, it was right plug, which is available within the list. You can turn on and off to check its operations, that everything is working perfectly fine. Now let's give it a voice command to confirm that it's all working. Alexa, turn on right plug. There we go. You can see that it's worked straight away. Alexa, turn off right plug. Perfect, worked great without any problem. Now let's configure it with our Google application. Now that is pretty much obvious that you must have a Google Home products for it to work on them. So once you open up your Google Home application, now within your Home application, click onto this plus button on the top and click on to set up a device. Then click on to have something already. Now search here for the application which you use for this smart plug, which was Smart Life. Open it up and type in the credentials which you have for the Smart Life application. Click on to link now and select the app which you are using for the smart plug, like you have selected in Amazon application. Click authorize. Now go back to the home screen. On your Google Home application, if you scroll down, you're going to see linked to you plugs right in here, the one which we entered. Open it up. You can see its operation to check it is working fine or not. By click of one button, you can add it into a room if you want to, or do some much more with it. Now let's give it a Google voice command to it and see it's working. My Google Home device is next room, so let me go there and give it a command. At the time of making this video, I had my Google product in next door, where I was having a bit of issues to configure and connect to this smart home plug. But honestly speaking, it seems to be working fine now on. This is my voice over on top of the video and give you confidence towards the plug. Now a couple of days back, I released a video review on a BG electrical socket. That one was very easy and a straightforward thing for an electrician to install in home. But I can understand that not many people can do that. You need an electrician to come in and do this job for you. But with the help of these smart plugs, you can convert your old school power socket into a smart. Plug them in and configure. Off you go. You can access the main power, or you can turn it on and off from here as well without need to worrying about the things. You can see that you can turn on, turn off automatically, or you can set the timers too. That's how easy and straightforward they are. I explained each and everything you wanted to know about these Teckin SP27 smart plugs. If you still have any more reservations, please guys, comment section is available for you to comment back. Now if there's anything you want to see in the future, please do let me know in the comment section down below as well. That would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now. See ya.